Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 11 PC and laptop. So regardless if you're using PC and laptop, here's the best way to do it. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you through a keyboard here, and that's going to make things easier just so you could see it work in reality. Alright, now we have to press these all together, shift the Windows key and then S. So the moment you do that, something like this should pop up. Now there are options here. You can just go ahead and click this one and choose window, full screen, or rectangle. So for rectangle, you can actually go ahead and customize these. So I'm going to go ahead and left click, and then I'm going to go ahead and capture or choose the point. So I'm going to click that. Now, mostly it's going to pop up here. So it should be appearing here. If it's not, you can go ahead and click this, and then we can go ahead and open it at the side. So let's put the keyboard side first. All right, there you go. So click this one, and there it is. So yeah, that is how you're going to take a screenshot in Windows 11 PC.